Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Do you know how to construct a sentence? Perhaps you are still confused about it. Don't fret, because in this video, we will learn about sentence construction. Keep watching to learn. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. First of all, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate which expresses a complete thought. A sentence must have a noun phrase known as the subject and a verb phrase that tells something about the subject. A verb phrase may express an action, thought, or a feeling. In our sample sentence, the kids laughed at the funny joke. The subject is kids, and the predicate is laughed. In cases where two or more complete thoughts are to be expressed in a sentence, there are different ways of combining ideas. For instance, let us use the two sentences below. John is fond of playing basketball. He practices every day. The first option is to use a phrase. Let us use the phrase, fond of playing basketball, to combine the sentences. Hence, it will become like this. John, fond of playing basketball, practices every day. In this combined sentence, we used the phrase, fond of playing basketball, to link the two ideas. The phrase acts as an adjective phrase that provides additional information about John and his love for basketball. It conveys the same meaning as the first sentence while combining both sentences into one. The second option is to use a relative clause. Let us use the relative clause, who practices every day, to connect the two ideas. Hence, the combined sentence would be, John, who practices every day, is fond of playing basketball. The combined sentence describes John's habit of practicing every day, which explains his love for playing basketball. The relative pronoun, who, introduces the clause and refers back to its antecedent, John, linking the two sentences together. For the third option, we can also combine the two sentences using a conjunction to form a compound sentence. For this case, let us use the conjunction, and. Hence, the combined sentence would be, John is fond of playing basketball and he practices every day. The conjunction, and, is used to join two related independent clauses, indicating that both actions are happening in the case of John. This creates a compound sentence that presents both pieces of information in a coordinated manner. Lastly, we can use two sentences and a correct punctuation. We can use a period to separate the two sentences. Hence, the sentences would be, John is fond of playing basketball. He practices every day. There are many ways to combine two sentences, and these are just among them. The way you choose to connect these thoughts will depend on the relationship you want to establish between them. Can you think of other ways to combine two or more sentences with complete thoughts? Give it a try. All right, now let us proceed to answer some practice exercises to test your understanding. In this practice exercise, you need to identify the sentence that uses the correct way of combining two complete thoughts. You are given 15 seconds for each item. For item number 1, which sentence correctly combines two complete thoughts? A. She loves to dance, she sings in the choir. B. The sun was shining brightly, it was a warm day. C. He studied hard for the exam, so he passed with flying colors. D. The book is interesting, the movie is entertaining. E. They went to the park, They played soccer with their friends. Your timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter C. He studied hard for the exam, so he passed with flying colors. Sentence 3 uses the subordinating conjunction, so, to show cause and effect. The other sentences do not use any conjunction or appropriate punctuation to connect the ideas. For number 2, which sentence correctly combines two complete thoughts? A. She wanted to go to the party. She had to finish her work first. B. He likes to swim, but he doesn't like to surf. C. We went to the store, buying some groceries. D. The concert was cancelled. It started raining heavily. E. I wanted to go to the park, so it started raining. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter B. He likes to swim, but he doesn't like to surf. Sentence 2 uses the coordinating conjunction, but, to correctly combine two complete thoughts into a compound sentence. The conjunction, but, shows a contrast between the two ideas, the person's preference for swimming and the lack of preference for surfing. This is the appropriate way to join two independent clauses in English. The other sentences contain errors in their use of punctuation or conjunctions. For the last item, which sentence correctly combines two complete thoughts? A. The recipe calls for 3 ingredients: flour, eggs, and sugar. B. He studied hard, but he passed the exam. C. She loves to sing. She performs on stage. D. John, my best friend, is coming over later. E. The book is on the table. I am reading the book. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter D. John, my best friend, is coming over later. Sentence 4 is combined using the phrase, my best friend, and it is one of the ways of combining two complete thoughts. The other sentences contain errors in their use of punctuation or conjunctions. All right. That's pretty much it. I hope you got all the answers right. If not, you can still repeat this video and learn once again. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.